Alright guys, in this video what you see is the hopper that I built for the filastruder. And you're just thinking, well, it's just a hopper, what's the big deal? And what does a hopper do? Well, what it does, it allows you to grab something like a bottle, like this, and once you align it right, it should be able to go in. But not in a demonstration video, of course. When you're trying to demo stuff, it never works. Alright, anyway, it did work. And then it'll go like this on the machine, and the idea is that it allows you to put plastic pellets or discards into this thing, which then goes into the machine. The machine makes filament, and you have awesomeness. So the cool thing about what happened was I was able to print this without using any supports at all on a $200 machine, the AlphaWise U30. And if you can see here, this part is not perfect, as you can see. And the reason is because it was printed like this. And so in this part here, the printer was actually printing in the air, and yet it did a decent job considering it was still able to print this part, and it did an even better job in here, which I was really impressed about. And then of course here, this is almost perfect considering it printed in the air, so not bad at all. Of course I'll have to try to mount this on the machine and see if it actually fits, but considering the water bottle fits on this part, then maybe this should be good too. And so hopefully it's a success. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.